back. So we had another cool one today with those highs only near 40. Lots of sunshine. Here's a look at our tower cam time lapse. This is a regional west weather camera in Scottsbluff as we put it in motion. Just a few passing clouds as we make our way through the day today. Otherwise, we had complete sunshine across most of the region. Now, here's a look at the high temperatures. We did make it to 41 at Scottsbluff, but 39 at Torrington, mid-30s out toward Kimball, Sydney, and Chadron, and also a 34 at Alliance with a high near 26 at Gordon. Here's a look at the current temperatures into the northern panhandle. We do have some currents near 5 to 10 degrees, but valley location, Scottsbluff points off to the south. We're into the low to mid-teens. Still pretty cool for this time of night. This time of year. Winds are flipping around to more of a westerly direction. That's a dry flow for us and a slightly milder flow. Wind speeds right now between 5 and 15 miles per hour. But wind chill values across the region are at 1 below 0 at Alliance and Harrison, and 6 below at Gordon, and 5 below at Sydney. Most everybody else has wind chill values between 5 and 10 degrees, so prepare for that if you're making your way outside. That westerly wind is pretty dry, so we're going to keep mainly clear skies, no clouds really on this satellite loop. That dry air does continue to cool down pretty quickly. So we got another very cold overnight period. One high pressure system is exiting most of the moisture in the country off to our south and off to our east. We had the flow from the north as we made our way through the last 12 to 24 hours or so. There's a little bit of a warm sector with this one. It's not much before another cold high pressure gives us another very strong northerly wind. And temperatures really do stay cool for this time of year. So as we make our way through the overnight, mainly clear skies with those lows between 5 and 10 degrees in most places. And then for highs tomorrow, low to mid-40s. There's that very little warm sector, lots of sunshine. So temperatures will be up for tomorrow. We'll have a few clouds overnight Saturday into Sunday with low temperatures in the mid to upper teens and high temperatures falling back into the upper 30s to near 40 as we go through Sunday with mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. So one high exits. You saw the clouds. That's this little disturbance here that leads into another high that gives us a strong northerly wind. And cooler air is right behind that as a cold front makes its way through. So a third high pressure system is going to stay in charge. So we're going to keep that northerly wind. Could have a few more clouds to start next week, but we are staying mainly dry and temperatures staying well below average. Weekend outlook shows that we do have this mainly sunny, we'll keep the mainly sunny conditions. The cool air is going to extend into the Midwest and then eventually the Northeast. They got some rain and snow showers out in that direction, warm down toward Florida, and mainly dry all the way to the West Coast. So that is going to be the trend as we make our way through the next couple of days. So temperature outlook, this one goes out pretty far, all the way until November 21st, about 10 days from now, and it still shows that we have a 70 to 90% chance of being below average, so this cooler not really going anywhere. Mid-40s tomorrow, mostly sunny, highs in the lower 40s on Sunday, partly to mostly cloudy. Monday into Tuesday as we fall through the 30s. Into the mid-30s for highs by Tuesday, near 40 again on Wednesday with mostly sunny skies, but highs falling from the upper 30s to the mid-20s Thursday into Friday with partly cloudy skies and just a slight chance of snow showers overnight. Angel?
Thanks, Justin. In Florida, at least 4 people were dead after Hurricane Nicole made landfall yesterday. The system has been downgraded to a tropical depression, but is still packing a punch and will for the next few days as it moves to the northeast. Jay Gray has more.
The remnants of Nicole continue to cause problems, high winds and heavy rains as the system pushes through Georgia and the Carolinas, targeting the East Coast. While back in Florida, a day after the Category 1 hurricane crossed the shoreline, the damage is overwhelming. Communities and the nerves of those who rode out the storm wrecked.
I thought this whole friggin' building was going to come down. And there's all these